Hebei Guangtuo FRP Co., Ltd., has been deeply engaged in the field of FRP manufacturing for many years and possesses a complete, integrated production system. The company is equipped with a full suite of standardized, professional production equipment and independently develops a comprehensive range of FRP products. At the same time, we can independently customize specialized molding dies for various types of profile products according to customer requirements, achieving independent production across the entire industry chain, from finished equipment to molds. Leveraging a mature and comprehensive foreign trade export system, our factory exports both finished equipment and custom molds to overseas markets. Operations span more than 100 countries worldwide, with partners located in regions including Brazil, Egypt, the United States, Uzbekistan, and the Philippines. We consistently uphold precision manufacturing standards and strictly control every stage of the production process. We have earned the long-term, deep trust of clients worldwide through stable, reliable product quality and efficient, comprehensive support services, continuing to build a benchmark enterprise for overseas expansion in the FRP industry.